Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we're upgrading my Wahl Magic Clips. I'm putting the JRL Fade Blade and the StyleCraft Faper moving blade onto this kit. So it's been about 2 years since I've upgraded my Wahl Magic Clips, and if you watched the previous video, the Faper moving blade did not fit on my JRLs. So I wanted to just put it to use. I figured don't let it go to waste, you know? And I'm just removing the hair here. I did have a client previously right before this, so it was just tedious work that I had to do. I removed the screws, and then I replaced the moving blade, and then this blade, I put the JRL Fade Blade on there. And from there, I just align everything, put the screws back in. This is what takes the most time. It's the most tedious work, to be honest with you. If this isn't done properly, you risk really badly cutting somebody and just ruining a haircut. I put it like that. You could ruin a haircut pretty bad. So you want to spend the most time aligning your blades. Take time, watch it from different angles just to make sure they're aligned, and just make sure that you test it on yourself prior to trying it on a client. I always do that. So you'll see right here, I begin to test it on my arm, and you see it's not cutting at all. So we're good. There's no ash marks or anything like that. I'm just cleaning it off because I just tried it on myself, and then this is my JRLs. So they both got an upgrade today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Later.